He is not just a billionaire and not just a genius. Elon Musk is a figure who is changing the course of history. His satellites control the sky, his rockets conquer space, his cars drive without human drivers, and his neural interfaces may one day connect the human mind with machines. Around him are business, technology, power, and of course, danger. Every step Musk takes is a challenge. And ever since he began influencing not just markets but the global order, his security has been watched not only by cameras. Behind him is a team, but not an ordinary security detail. It is a shadow, elite, invisible, and meticulously planned. This is Elon Musk's secret security service, one neither Tesla nor SpaceX nor Neuralink will officially confirm. But we know more than what is written in the press. This security team is not your typical bodyguards in suits with earpieces. It includes former officers of the Central Intelligence Agency, Mossad, United States Special Forces, and elite veterans of Israeli and British high-security programs for protecting high-value individuals. They go through multi-layered clearances, psychological screenings, and covert training, including at classified SpaceX test sites, where they rehearse scenarios involving attacks, hostage situations, cyber threats, and even potential drone strikes. Some are specialists in intercepting and jamming global positioning system signals and can take manual control of Musk's vehicle without satellite connection in the event of a threat. Others are cyber bodyguards embedded into the digital ecosystem. They can disable external cameras, encrypt signals, and even intervene in voice interception if Musk is under threat during conversations. You may be surprised to learn that according to unofficial data, every step Elon Musk takes is monitored by at least two parallel teams. The first is the external security, the driver, visual observers, snipers on rooftops during public appearances, and concealed checkpoints. The second is internal. These are people you will not notice. They may appear as engineers or public relations managers, but are actually special agents with space-level security clearance. When Musk visits Tesla factories or SpaceX hangars, the area is scanned with special spectrometers to detect explosives, fake devices, or hidden bugs planted in advance. His travel route is calculated using 10 parameters, including protest activity levels, traffic density, risks of cyber attacks on autopilot systems, and even the electromagnetic background near neural network devices. A separate topic is technology. Elon Musk has one of the most advanced personal protection systems in the world. His armored vehicle, based on the Tesla Cybertruck, has undergone secret trials under conditions simulating urban warfare. The most classified information relates to the training of Musk's personal team. Reportedly, once a year, the elite of his security force gathers in one of SpaceX's underground complexes in Texas for a week-long course on protection against high-tech assassination. This includes defense against kamikaze drones, intercepting artificial intelligence signals, rehearsing scenarios involving double agents, and even protecting Musk under a simulated nuclear threat. They are tested for endurance, resistance to psychotropic substances, response under high-gravity conditions, and performance under artificial intelligence control. Some training sessions are overseen by individuals who previously worked with the United States government at the level of NASA's Strategic Facility Defense. Another unit focuses on information security. After all, today, a person can be destroyed not only by a bullet, but also by a rumor. Musk's security includes a team that monitors fake news, potential leaks, dangerous tweets from anonymous accounts, and even deepfake content. They collaborate with independent laboratories specializing in the detection of deepfakes and synthetic voices that could be used against Elon. And the most astonishing part, their response to potential assassination attempts. According to insiders, there have been at least 3 incidents where the protocol entered its active phase. One such case occurred in Berlin, when a man with a drone device attempted to fly toward the conference platform just seconds before Musk's appearance. The second case took place in China, when a radio scanning device capable of interfering with the autopilot system was discovered along a Tesla route. The signal was intercepted, and the route was changed 12 minutes before arrival. The third case happened in Los Angeles, when an unknown individual near the Neuralink building tried to launch a pyrotechnic device. The threat was neutralized before Elon left his office, and not a single news outlet reported it. What makes Elon Musk's security truly unique? It is not just bulletproof vests, pistols, and earpieces. It is a flawless symphony of technology, personnel, and strategy. It is an elite force trained not merely to protect, but to think 2 steps ahead. A unit capable of operating on the ground, in the air, and even in digital space. They do not just shield Musk, they anticipate threats before they arise. And perhaps, thanks to them, he is still alive, and continues to reshape our world. How much does Elon Musk spend on personal security? According to publicly available sources and expert estimates, the billionaire's annual security expenses exceed $12 million. But these figures are just the tip of the iceberg. The real costs may be significantly higher, considering that Elon Musk is not just a businessman. He is a key figure in global technology, space, artificial intelligence, and energy. He is someone under the constant watch of governments, intelligence agencies, competitors, and potential threats around the world. His security is not just a team of bodyguards with earpieces. Each guard is familiar not only with Musk's travel routes, but also with response protocols for any type of threat, from attempted carjacking to a terrorist attack. All vehicles Elon travels in are armored, equipped with signal jamming systems, hidden cameras, smoke traps, and even emergency autopilot evacuation mode. And one must not forget the Cybertruck, which in itself functions as more than just a vehicle. It is a mobile bunker. At Musk's private residences, highly advanced security systems are installed, from autonomous drones that patrol the property around the clock to hidden motion sensors, thermal cameras, facial recognition systems, and biometric scanners. Even authorized staff undergo daily verification, and their movements are tracked in real time. The security team has direct access to data from the smart home system, can remotely disable room access, open doors, or initiate full lockdown protocols. It is also worth noting that after having children with Grimes and other partners, security has been extended to his family members. They receive personal protection, live in homes with full security systems, and their travel routes are either concealed or disguised as unrelated activity. Another intriguing detail is Elon Musk's private army. While that may sound dramatic, in reality, he holds a contract with one of the largest private military companies specializing in the protection of high-risk individuals. Some sources point to cooperation with former Blackwater operatives, now working for other private military firms, who provide services for critical threat protection, escort operations in conflict zones, and even training for SpaceX and Tesla personnel. Every public trip Musk takes is preceded by on-site reconnaissance. In cities he travels to, an advanced team arrives first. They inspect hotels, routes, exits, vantage points, and vulnerabilities. Drones, signal interceptors, noise sensors, and even radar-based room scanning systems are used. Only after full clearance and coordination does Musk make a public appearance. Thus, Elon Musk's personal security is not just about protecting one man. It is a large-scale, expensive, high-tech, and multi-layered system that resembles a presidential secret service, but with a focus on the future. Each year it becomes increasingly automated, integrated with artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. It is entirely plausible that in the near future, Musk will be protected not by people, but by fully operational combat drones and robots built using his own technologies.